Hi guys, this is Vishwas. Welcome to my channel Mr. Allrounder 24. So today I'll be talking about a thriller movie, underrated thriller movie of recent times. Why I am saying this as an underrated movie? Because I'll tell you the name. I'll tell you the name of the movie. The movie's name is The Guest. I think most of you guys haven't heard about this movie, so that's why I am calling it as underrated movie. It's one of the best underrated movies of recent times. So this movie was released back in 2014. So this movie has been directed by Adam Wingard, a very talented director, Adam Wingard. If you are not aware of who Adam Wingard is, you can see his recent blockbuster movie, Kong vs. Godzilla, and he has directed many more movies like The Blair Witch, Death Note, to name a few. So I normally watch underrated movies because this movies has all the potentials to become a commercially super hit movie, but for some reason this movies doesn't get that much of a success. This movie has made a quite a noise over recent times because people really loved the the pace of the movie. It's a thriller, so of course it's very good. I really enjoyed watching this movie. So for me, this movie was suggested online. Like when I googled it, like for underrated movies, it was suggested one of the best movies, and people really loved it. They really loved the movie. So I'll not review this movie. I'll not go into the pros and cons about the movie. I'll just suggest you how this movie is very good. A little bit I'll talk about this movie. If you really are interested to see the trailer of this movie, I'll provide you the link in the description box, so you can go check out the trailer of this movie. So without wasting any further time, I'll just jump into the plot of the movie, like what the movie is all about. So basically this movie is about a soldier called as David. So he visits his late best friend Carl. He visits his home to meet his parents because his friend Carl has been passed away in a war against Afghanistan. So he's a US soldier, this guy David. So he visits his late friend's family to express his condolences for their family, and to say that his friend Carl really loved his family. And he also mentions that his friend Carl wanted this David to tell he really loved his family. He really missed them during the times of war and all. So he visits his late friend's family, Peterson's family actually. So he visits them, he gives them a visit, and there is some drama. Of course there is some drama goes on there, and I promise you guys, this movie takes off at one go. It takes off and it never flatters at any moment. It just goes on like that. So it's very fast paced and it's very good. So if you are looking for any thriller movies, any fast paced movies, I think this is the best movie. You guys can look into it. I think the movie is available on, I'm not pretty sure, I think it's available on online streaming services like Netflix or Amazon. So you can download the movie or else and watch it, because it's really good. And there is also a, I mean, if you watch this movie and if you are very much, if you become fan of this movie, then there is a happy news, that is like a sequel is coming for this movie. I don't know when the sequel is coming up, but I'm pretty sure that it will be coming out very soon. If you are a fan of this, I mean, if you like this movie, then it's a very good news that you can expect some more action-packed things in the sequel. That is, I don't know, they haven't named the title of the movie. I believe it will be The Guest 2, probably, I think. So I'm really waiting for the sequel to come out, because I'm really interested to see what this David character takes on another adventures, or what he is up to next. So it will be very interesting to watch what goes on in the sequel. So with that being said, I know it's a very little short video, but I'm here to just suggest you that it's a very good movie. I hope you will watch this movie. As I told you earlier, the trailer of this movie, The Guest, is in the description box. It's provided there, so you can go check it out. And finally, if you are new to this channel, so please do subscribe and hit a like button. So it would be helpful for me to come up with new ideas and to entertain you guys. So with that being said, thank you for watching Mr. Allrounder 24. This is Vishwa signing off. Take care, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.